What if I told you fear is probably costing you more money than taxes? Not inflation, not rent, not gas prices, fear. Fear of investing, fear of starting a business, fear of asking for more money, fear of failing, or fear of looking stupid. Most people think fear is emotional, but fear has a price tag attached to it. And the worst part, most people never calculate the bill. In this video, we're exposing the hidden cost of fear in your finances and how it silently keeps people trapped in the same financial position for years. Fear is sneaky because it disguises itself as being responsible. People say things like, I'm waiting for the perfect time. I just want to play it safe. I need to think about it more. Or I'll start next year. But years pass and nothing changes. Here's the truth. Fear often feels smarter than action because action comes with risk. But staying still has risk too. A person afraid to invest keeps all of their money in a low interest savings account while inflation quietly destroys its value. While a person afraid to switch careers stays underpaid for over a decade. A person afraid to start a business keeps building someone else's dream instead of their own. Fear creates invisible losses. And invisible losses are dangerous because you don't notice them until it's too late. Let's talk about waiting. Most people underestimate how expensive hesitation is. But let me tell you this. Hesitation can prevent you from getting to the correct destination. Imagine there's two people. Person A starts investing at 22 years old. Person B waits until they're 32 because they're scared of losing money. Even if person B invests more later, they may never catch up because time matters more than perfection. Compound growth rewards courage early, while fear delays opportunity. And this doesn't only apply to investing. Just think about it. The business you never started, the skills you never learned, the properties you never bought, or the opportunities you never pursued. Every fear delays action, so the opportunity cost grows. And the scary part is that you cannot get that lost time back. Money can return, time doesn't. Fear also changes how people spend money. When people feel uncertain, they often buy comfort instead of freedom. That's why stressed people overspend, shop emotionally, stay dependent on debt, avoid checking bank accounts, ignore investments, and delay important financial decisions. Fear creates short-term thinking. Instead of building wealth, people focus on temporary relief. And companies know this. Entire industries profit from financial insecurities. Think about it. Buy now, pay later. High interest loans, luxury image culture, endless subscriptions, and status spending. Fear whispers, you're behind. You need this. You're not successful enough. So people spend money trying to escape anxiety rather than building stability. Here's the question that changes everything. Which fear is bigger? The fear of failure or the fear of regret? Because many people avoid taking action to protect themselves from embarrassment. But years later, they regret it. Not starting sooner, not investing earlier, not taking the opportunity, not betting on themselves. Fear hurts temporarily. Regret can last decades. Most successful people are not fearless. They've simply learned how to move while scared. That's the difference. Courage is not the absence of fear. Courage is action despite fear. So, how do you stop fear from controlling your financial future? First, stop waiting to feel fully ready. Most people never feel ready. Second, start smaller than your fear. You don't need to invest $1 million. Just start with a small amount. You don't need a massive business overnight. Just start with one customer. Momentum destroys fear. Third, learn financially valuable skills. The more capable you become, the less that fear controls you. Skills create confidence. Fourth, accept that mistakes are part of wealth building. Every wealthy person has made bad decisions, bad investments, failed ideas, missed opportunities. The goal isn't perfection. The goal is progress. And finally, understand this. Playing it safe can become the riskiest strategy of them all. One day, everyone pays the price. Some pay the price of discipline, others pay the price of regret. Fear feels cheap in the moment, but over time, it can be one of the most expensive bills that someone has to pay. The people who change their financial future are not always smart. Sometimes they were simply willing to act before they felt comfortable. Ask yourself, what has fear already cost you? And more importantly, how much longer are you willing to pay for it? If this spoke to you, hit the like button. subscribe, and share this with someone that needs this reminder. Because the first investment that changes your life might be the decision to stop letting fear control it.